Ever wondered how to spark undeniable chemistry with a younger woman and create a connection so powerful that she can't stop thinking about you? If you've been struggling to figure out what to say or how to stand out, this video is for you. Today, I'm revealing 6 powerful phrases that younger women love hearing from more experienced men. These phrases aren't just compliments. They're tools to tap into her emotions, make her feel unique, and leave her captivated. You'll understand why these words work and how to deliver them for maximum impact. Curious to find out? Stick around. But before we get started, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss more life-changing tips. Let's dive in. Number 1. You're more mature than most women I know. This phrase is a game changer. It flatters her ego and acknowledges her unique qualities. Younger women, particularly those interested in older men, often value being seen as wise beyond their years. By pointing out her maturity, you're validating her in a way most younger men don't. Why does this work? Many younger women feel underestimated or not taken seriously, especially in environments dominated by superficial interactions. Highlighting her maturity shows her you're not like other men. It tells her you see her depth and intelligence. Pro tip: make the compliment more meaningful by adding specifics. For instance, say, "You're the kind of person who knows how to navigate conversations with grace and thoughtfulness." That's rare. Adding context makes your compliment feel genuine, not rehearsed. Deliver this line in a calm, confident tone during a moment when she's showing her intellectual or emotional depth. By doing so, you'll create a connection that goes beyond surface-level attraction. Number 2. You have an energy that ignites something special in me. This phrase stands out because it ties her personality to the emotional impact she has on you. It's not just a generic compliment. It highlights her ability to inspire and awaken something extraordinary within you. Why does it work? Younger women appreciate being admired for qualities that go beyond their looks. By focusing on her energy and the way it affects you, you're telling her she's someone who has a profound effect on people. This sets you apart from younger men who often focus only on appearances. Pro tip: follow up with something personal to make the compliment feel even more heartfelt. For example, "I don't know if it's your laugh, the way you look at the world, or just the way you carry yourself, but it's inspiring to be around you." This gives her a sense of how unique and irreplaceable she is in your eyes. Timing is key. Use this phrase when the conversation is flowing naturally, and there's already a sense of comfort and connection. Delivered in a sincere tone, it leaves her feeling valued and curious about the spark you've described. Number 3. I like how authentic you are. That's rare these days. In a world where appearances often take center stage, calling her authentic is one of the most meaningful compliments you can give. This phrase tells her you appreciate her for who she truly is, not just how she looks or behaves on the surface. Why does it work? Younger women often face pressure to fit into molds or play roles that don't reflect their true selves. By acknowledging her authenticity, you stand out as someone who values substance over superficiality. This makes her feel seen and respected in a way that few others can offer. Pro tip: add depth by pointing out specific examples of her authenticity. Say something like, "I admire how you express your thoughts without trying to impress anyone." It's refreshing to meet someone who's so real and unapologetic about being themselves. This makes your compliment more impactful and personal. Deliver this phrase when she's being candid or sharing something genuine about herself. The timing reinforces the idea that you notice and appreciate her individuality, creating a deeper emotional connection. Number 4. You have a sparkle in your eyes that's simply contagious. This compliment is special because it goes beyond the obvious and focuses on a unique detail. By pointing out the sparkle in her eyes, you're showing her that you notice the little things that make her stand out. Why does it work? Younger women are often showered with generic compliments about their looks. This phrase feels more personal and thoughtful, making her feel truly seen and appreciated. It also adds an emotional element by connecting her physical feature to the energy she radiates. Pro tip: follow up with something like, "When you look at someone, it feels like you light up the whole room. That kind of presence is rare." This amplifies the compliment, making it even more memorable and meaningful. Use this line during an intimate moment, like when you're making eye contact or sharing a laugh. Delivered with sincerity, it leaves a lasting impression and deepens the connection between you. Number 5. You remind me how good it feels to enjoy the moment. This phrase connects her youthful energy to your appreciation for life's simple joys. It's charming and heartfelt, showing her that she brings something unique and refreshing to your life. Why does it work? Younger women love feeling like they inspire others, especially someone with more life experience. This phrase tells her that her presence has a positive and lasting impact on you, which makes her feel valued and appreciated. Pro tip: add something like, "Your vibe is a reminder of how important it is to laugh and let go sometimes." It's inspiring to be around someone who lives in the moment. This personalization strengthens the emotional connection and makes the compliment more genuine. Use this phrase when she's showing her fun-loving side, like during a lighthearted conversation or shared laughter. It creates a bond that blends her youthful energy with your experience, making the connection feel natural and meaningful. Number 6. Just being near you makes my mind start imagining things it probably shouldn't. This phrase is playful, bold, and full of subtle intrigue. It hints at desire without being explicit, creating an irresistible tension that sparks her imagination. Why does it work? Younger women enjoy confident flirting that feels sophisticated rather than crude. This phrase strikes the perfect balance by suggesting attraction while maintaining an air of mystery. It makes her feel desirable and keeps her curious about what's on your mind. Pro tip: pair this line with direct eye contact and a sly smile. Add a follow-up like, "It's hard not to wonder what it would be like if it were just the two of us. No distractions, just enjoying the moment." This deepens the intrigue while keeping the mood light and playful. Deliver this phrase during a moment of mutual attraction, like when the conversation is flowing naturally and there's an unspoken chemistry in the air. The combination of your words, tone, and body language will leave her thinking about you long after the conversation ends. And there you have it. 6 powerful phrases that younger women can't resist. But remember, it's not just about the words you say. It's about the confidence, sincerity, and timing behind them. These phrases, when used thoughtfully, can create a connection that goes beyond surface-level attraction. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell for more content like this. Which phrase are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. Until next time, stay confident and keep building those meaningful connections.